Hello, in this video, I will show you how I run SAP BI report on top of SAP BW7.31 with single sign-on. Okay, first let's take a look at this virtual machine I installed. As you can see in this virtual machine, I have installed a BI platform 4.0 SP4, and I also installed the SAP BW7.3 with enhanced pack 1. Okay, this is the latest BW release. Okay, all these servers are started, and let's go out of this virtual machine and log on. Okay. Okay. First, I need to log on the BW7.3 with enhanced pack 1 and client 001 because client 001 is the BW client. Okay. I close all the sessions just to make it clear. Okay, now let me log on with the user WPO and password. I go to the system and I go to the status. Okay, I click this detail and I can see this is all the component. It's the enhanced pack 1 for BW7.3 and with the support pack 5. All of them are the latest support pack and components. Okay. So now I close this information design tool. I reopen again. Because I have configured the single sign-on with the SAP BW, so I can log on with my BW user to this information design tool or to the BI platform. Okay, I open this session. As you can see here, this maybe I can just remove this one. I remove all of these sessions I have created before, and I just create a new one from scratch to make it pretty clear. Okay. And here you just import your system information. For example, my system is one server 642, or just put here. For the authentication, I choose ICP. Okay, the username is the ICP BW user, WBO, and password. I just give password. Click login. Okay, we have a login successfully, and the next step, we will try to create a connection to retrieve data from ICP BW. Okay. Before I do that, I need to make sure there is a back query already created and maintained in ICP BW. Then I will try to consume this ICP BW query in this BI platform folder. Okay, in business object. Okay, now I just open the BAX query designer and I try to create a new BAX query. Okay, or just try to open existing one. Let me see if I have already one. Okay, I have this one. Okay, like this is a very simple query. I just drag and drop all these characteristics in the row, and I drop some key figures in the column. Okay, and I save it as this technical name, their order, underscore Q001. Okay, and just make sure this back query works before I start the view part. Okay, I can simply run the transaction RSRT to test the back query. in the BW backend. Okay, I input this background query name, and for the display, I choose HTML. I click execute. Just wait a moment, and we will see the result. Yeah, as this is the first time I run this transaction, that you can see in the left bottom there's a compiling message because all the backend ABAP program need to be compiled. You run it first time. Yeah. Actually, you can run some compile program transaction in advance, but I don't do that. Seems it will take a bit long time. Yeah, okay. Now, as you can see, the result is displayed. So it's a very simple query with the characteristics in the row and the key figures in the column. So, but that's fine. We just want to use that for a simple test, okay, for demo purpose. Okay, I just click back, and then I just go back to my information design tool. Okay, I expand the connection, and I right click and insert OLAP connection because I want to connect to a SAP BW query. So it's the OLAP OLAP connection. Okay, give the connection a name. I just input the back query name. Just to make it easier to recognize. Okay, I ICP NetWeaver BI7.x. Okay, BICS client because all the BI4 will use BICS as connection to the BW. For the authentication mode, I choose single sign-on. Okay, because as I said before, I have already configured the single sign-on between the SAP BI 4.0 to and the SAP BW7.3. Okay. For the client number, I just give the BW client is 1 and ID is B73. For the application server, SAP door my ERP.com. For the system number is 0. Okay, click next. Okay, here you can. The system will use the single sign-on user by default. Just simply click OK. Yeah, here you can see all the info area and the favorites will be listed here. And this is the background thing we created. And or you can choose display unique name, or you can display both the caption and the unique name. Okay, because remember our back query text name is ZOR_Q001. Okay, and you can also search here. Okay, if I choose this one. You can see it's already located. Okay. To this one, I click finish. I double click the created in connection and simply choose test connection because I want to make sure the connection works successfully. Yeah, we got it. The test successful. Okay. Okay. So far, we have created the connection between the BU and the BW with the single sign-on. Okay. The next step is to consume this back query in the SAP BI frontend tool, like the web universe, the web intelligence, or crystal report for enterprise. Yeah. So now we need to go to the BI4, the front end. Okay, I'll log off. So as you can see, this is the BI Launchpad. Okay, here I also choose the SAP as the authentication because I want to use the single sign. Okay, so for the username, same BW password, I just give the password and click login. Here we log on with the BW. As you can see, this is the alias. Okay, this is the prefix is B73 and the client 001. This is our BW system. Okay, and from here you can easily recognize this is a single sign-on logon. Okay, single sign-on user. So now as we created the OLAP connection from ICP BW, so we can choose here the analysis edition for OLAP. And you can see there's a different one. This is for the SAP Back's web application. This is for the module. This is for the analysis for OLAP. And this is for crystal report for enterprise. And this is workspace. And this is web intelligence. Okay. We can try this analysis edition for OLAP. This is the new. Okay. Yeah, as you can see here, this is the OLAP connection, the back query created, and I just click OK. Yeah, here we got all the characteristic and the items. You see, in the column we have the key figure. In the rows we have the sales order item, and so on. Okay. Yeah, so we can see all the data. Okay, and we want to try a different one. We just close this one. Then we go to the web intelligence. Okay. See if I can have my web intelligence rich client work because before it's not working. Yeah, try that. Sorry. They're not working. Okay, let's clear it. Here I can only use the the web one. Okay, I click new, and from the if you click new web intelligence, the system will promote you to choose what you want to use to create the web intelligence because we have the back query, right? So I just choose the back query as the data source. This is the back query connection we created, and I expand it. See here it's green. So it seems I cannot choose it. Let me check the back query setting. Normally you have to click the allow the external access. Okay, yeah. See, there is a checkbox allow external access to this query. I simply choose it and save it. Okay, now let me try that again. So you can see the OK button is enabled now, right? So yeah, don't forget click the allow to external access. So you can use the box query created in the Web Intelligence. Okay, still running. And if I go to the backend, there should be some backend process running to retrieve there. I run the transaction SM50. Okay, still running. Oh, it's done maybe. Yeah, okay. We got all the structure, like the dimension and key measure. They are corresponding to the characteristic and key figure in BW terminology. Okay, just simply drag and drop a few dimensions. Drag the still document and material and also order quantity. Okay, I don't have any filter, so I can run them quickly because I know I don't have too much data. So I can just run them directly, see if we have some bug. Okay, it's done. So it should be very fast. See, there we have all the data. You can simply drag and drop. Remove the column. See? Okay. So it's fine now for the web intelligence, and for the last try, we can try the crystal report for enterprise. Okay, this is also the new one because you can install the crystal report only for this enterprise. It can be integrated in the BI platform. BI platform for the O. Click the crystal report. I click open. Yeah. So see, the system is trying to connect to the build server, and here you need to choose the data source type. I choose the ICP business object, business intelligence platform, and choose if it's here. You can select a universe, back query, analysis view, whatever. Okay, just browse the repository. I choose back query. Okay, here is a back query we created before, and I click next. Yeah, here we choose this sealed order, retrieving. As you can see, also get all the structure, seals all document, item, and whatever. It's a pretty similar screen as the web intelligence. I just also simply drag a few dimensions, item, material, plant. Okay, and for the key figure, only drag the order quantity. I click finish. It's running. And here we will see all the data we drag and drop, and you can do some any customization here because this is a typical crystal report screen, and you have this all structure here. You have the formula, parameter, and running to wherever. This is predefined, and you can do the section, group, whatever. Okay. So far we have demoed the background creation between the SAP BI platform and SAP BW7.31 with single sign-on. Okay, the last step I can show you, you need to configure the single sign-on in this section. You can see here, you can see I have already the certificate installed, and Of course, there is a link you can follow to configure the single cell. Yeah, it could be very tricky, but it's very good practice. You can follow that. Okay. So thank you. And if you have any question, you can just drop me an email. I will reply as soon as possible. Okay. Thanks. Bye.